Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Hennessy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook lead ads to your GoHighLevel CRM automatically. So it's automatically going to pull all of your leads into your dashboard. In my last video, I just showed how to create a lead form ad. So if you haven't figured out how to do a lead form ad yet, you can go and watch that video. And once you've completed it, this is how you can pull them in automatically. Now, this will be a pretty short video as it's really simple to do, but a lot of people have been asking, and I'm also going to show how you can add it to your pipeline automatically quickly. So once you go to your high level, click on your settings in the bottom left. You're then going to go to integrations, and this has been updated for 2026. So it looks a lot different now. You'll have different tabs. If you have not linked anything yet, you'll have the option where it says connect. Once you connect your Facebook page up here, it will automatically pull your Instagram page. And once you connect it, it will come up with a page that looks like this, which is your Facebook form field mapping. So it's going to have your Facebook forms on your account. So now we can see all of the lead forms that I have. You'll see I have a huge list. This is the one from the latest video. This is from our business account. So if I was to map the fields, you'll see it's turned on. I can edit, and these are the questions that I have on the form itself. If you don't have a CRM field made for these, you'll need to make one. So what we'll do is we'll go and I'll create one for the top one. So do you currently run paid advertising? We can take a look and I'll show you how to make one. On the left hand side, we're going to go to custom values, custom fields. Once you're in custom fields, you can add a field. I always select single line because it's going to fill in the information from Facebook a lot easier. You can hit next and you can name it the same that you have on your questions that you have on the Facebook. So one of ours is, let's do, for example, are you a homeowner? We can leave it as a contact information, which you'll need to if you're mapping it to the form, but you have different options in the future for opportunities, companies. Make it easy. Leave it as a contact, add it to your contact group. This means it will show up in the contact itself. So when you go to the contacts page of your lead, you'll see the lead information. So are you a homeowner? I'll just hit save. Now that's saved. If I went back to integrations, I go again and we go Facebook form field mapping and I edit my fields. I can now go in and you'll see, are you a homeowner is now an option. So I would click here. Now that's linked to it. Obviously for this one, it would be, what is your current annual revenue? I think I might even have one for that. So I can put that in. What is your current planned or monthly advertising spend? I should update that. So now these are all connected correctly. They're all linked correctly. You have the full name added, the phone, the email that will pull automatically. You can hit confirm. So all of your leads now are going to come directly into the platform as a contact. So they will be coming into your dashboard at this point, but how do you actually get them into your pipeline? So in your pipeline itself, how do you pull them in? How do you get them there? So if I go to automation, really simply, we can make a quick automation. We're going to say Facebook form submitted. The page is any page and the form is any form that we have. Now, if you wanted, you could pick specific forms that you have. Maybe you only want specific forms coming in. For us, we're just going to choose every single lead that's coming in for this one. So now this is triggering when a new lead comes in. Because we've just linked it, this will work correctly. It will know when a Facebook lead comes in. And all we're going to do is create an opportunity. Now, for this, we select our pipeline. For us, it would be inbound, new lead, opportunity name. You're going to choose contact name. You can get these tags from in here. We have a contact attribution source. So this will let us know where the lead came from, the source, the ad set, the image. We get a lot of information using these UTMs. And then the value, if you have a specific offer, maybe it's $2,000 per month, you can put that in and that's going to be the value that's on your dashboard. We set the status as open. If you want to allow duplicates, so if you want to allow duplicate opportunities, you can turn it on. I recommend leaving it off. Allow the opportunity to move to any previous stage in the pipeline. So you can turn this on if you wanted to allow your leads to go back and forth. For now, we're going to leave both of them off. And that's pretty much it. If I hit save, I can now publish in the top right. Now, anytime a lead comes in, it's going to trigger the action and it's going to create a new lead in the inbound sales funnel pipeline in the new lead section. And it's going to have the opportunity name of the lead and it's going to give us the source of the lead and they're going to come directly to your pipeline. So your sales team or yourself can follow up with those easily And that's all you need to do to link your meta lead form to GoHighLevel. So if you enjoyed this short video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.